This is Omron M3 Comfort blood pressure monitor. Let's unbox and make the proper setting. And this BP monitor, as you can see, this is the Omron M3 Comfort monitor arm cuff, a booklet guide for making setting in this device. So let's first of all install the batteries. As you can see, we will install batteries according to the plus and minus sign here. As you can see on the screen, press this clock button and set the ear. Move by left and right arrow, increase or decrease, and then set the date also here. As you can see, with the side arrow you can move up and down, and by selecting this clock button again you can select the option. Now set the time here also, because the date and time is necessary when you check your previous BP data, so all the date and time appear with it accordingly. Now install this arm cuff, as you can see here. Now our device is ready to use. Sit under the chair, keep the device on the table, and wrap the arm cuff around your arm properly. As you can see, keep this at least 2 centimeters above from the elbow, and keep the tube in the middle of your hand. Now select the user here, user 1 or user 2. This device saves data separately for each user until 60. Press the power button. As you can see, you will get BP measurement in a few seconds. There is an OK sign appear on the monitor. When it's OK, so it means the arm cuff is strapped properly. This device also detects the irregular heartbeat and the motion detection. This is the systolic blood pressure, diastolic, and the heartbeat. Now if you want to check the memory, so press this button, as you can see, the memory button, and you will get the previous results and shown on the screen with the date and time. As you can see, by pressing this button you can check various results previously for user 1 and user 2. If you want to check the average, so hold and press this memory button until few seconds, and you will get average for the previous 3 results. As you can see here on the screen, press this memory button for 3 seconds and you will get average for the previous 3 readings. As you can see on the screen, if you want to remove all the memory from the device and clear the device from all data, so press and hold the start and memory button at the same time for 3 seconds, and you can see these 3 blinking dots will appear. So it's not enough, you have to press and hold it again until this dots become stable. Press and hold. As you can see, this becomes stable, so your device is clear from previous data. When you check the memory, so there will be no BP results and readings in the monitor. The same, if you want to make the factory reset to the previous setting, so press and hold the start button and the clock button at the same time. As you can see, press this one and press start button at the same time, and you will see there will appear CLR clear, but this will blinking, so you press and hold it again. As you can see, now we will press and hold it again until it's become stable. So this device will become reset to the manufacturing setting. As you can see, 2019 appears, so it means it start from the beginning. Thank you so much. Stay safe and healthy, and please subscribe to the Pharmacist Online.